My background is really sort of a non-traditional role. I started on the floor as a maintenance skilled team leader. I did a lot of training on robotics, pneumatics, and hydraulics, and was really one of the few females that were out there on the line, troubleshooting the line to help make things move. What drives me is the team members. We love having a diverse team because then we don't think alike and we can come up with better solutions to the problems. Their expertise is amazing, and each day they're building these engines and transmissions to a high degree of accuracy.
What I love most is the people, the camaraderie. We come from all different walks of life. We all enjoy what we do, and we put a lot of passion and a lot of heart into everything that we do here. People, even though they may not see us, our names may not be on the car, we know that we put a lot of hard work into them. And so every time I see a Toyota drive by, I'm like, I had a little something to do with that.
Prior to coming to West Virginia, I was a mother and preschool teacher. Being a woman was a more rare thing when I began. Now we see more women in manufacturing.
I love the challenge. I love the competition. I love the fact that we just continue to be innovative. We have that culture, that DNA culture here at Toyota that's woven through all of us. The team members are really engaged. They're very innovative, and there's no challenge that we can't overcome.
Before I came to Toyota, I was a Head Start teacher for homeschooling. And then this opportunity came to West Virginia. We supply two major components that go into the vehicle, the engine and the transmission. I enjoy the challenge of working in the gear department. It's a whole different perspective. I love troubleshooting. I love digging deep into a problem and trying to find a root cause. I would tell the ladies who may want to get into the automotive industry to not be afraid, do not be intimidated, go to college, get the background that they need, and then jump in. I'm Amy Lewis, Quality Engineering Specialist on the gear machining lines.